Are you trying to overcome the 40-40 trap? You know, the one where you work 40 hours a week for 40 years to hopefully have enough money to live the remaining years of your life in some form of comfort. It's a syndrome that I'm now calling no purpose, and I want to show you today how to overcome it without having to make massive change to your life. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. And today I want to do something a little different and talk to you about purpose. You know, overcoming the 40-40 trap and knowing what you're working toward and for. So stick with me, as while this isn't my normal style of training, I think it could be one of the most powerful. And I want to start with a story that I learned about a while back now. It's a story about a billionaire, a real person actually. And this man was a very successful businessman. He had made his wealth and was now 90 years of age. At this age, most people have well and truly retired and they're enjoying their retirement. But as you know, wealth leaves clues. And this man, well, he at age 90 was still working. And every day he'd be in his office at 6 a.m. and would work all the way to 6 p.m. 6 days a week. Now what an inspiration, 90 years of age, and this man was still working more than most people do when they're 20, 30, 40. That right there is a wealth trigger. For me, this taught me a valuable lesson. Now, like I said, wealth leaves clues. And he was one of the wealthiest people on the planet, working 6 days a week at age 90. Now you might be saying, but hang on Andrew, you're teaching us about multiple income streams, affiliate marketing, investing, all these things to help us not have to work for the rest of our lives. You know, I don't want to work until I'm 90. And here's the thing, when you get to your wealth dream, whatever that number is, and I'm sure you can think of a number in your head right now that means wealth to you. Go on, yeah, just do it. Whatever that number is, when you get there, you are going to want to keep going. You don't just reach your wealth goal and then say, okay, I'm going to stop now. Let me tell you, watching Netflix all day is not going to fulfill you. Going to the beach every day for 30 days straight is not going to fulfill you. You're going to start looking for something else to do. Now, it's the irony of life that you can't find happiness trying to be happy. You know, we don't generally create abundance, we create limitations. And you'll realise when you get to your goals that happiness is really a low-level motivation or emotion. People search for happiness, which really is down here, when what you're really searching for is meaning, which is up here. Now, you do need to get to happiness first, but you ultimately want meaning. And it's meaning that will give you purpose, keep you driven, excited, motivated and fulfilled. Pretty cool, right? When you have all the assets, the money, happiness is taken care of. You're having fun and you have all you want, but you need meaning. Because in life, we all want to know that we mean something, right? I know it sounds cliche, you know, like I want the world to be a better place, but it is that cliche. I think that is how we're wired. After you take care of accumulating your wealth, I bet you would want to use your wealth for good, yeah? I rarely see someone who I work with or who has great wealth who talks about their wealth dreams and they say, you know what, I'm going to keep my millions to myself. You know, like they're not saying, I'm going to have 20 luxury cars, 10 different homes around the world. I just don't hear that. In fact, I was talking with someone this month who was telling me how they made millions through the pandemic and they were excited about how they were going to give it all away to people in more need than them all around the world. So normally, these are the types of things that I hear. Sure, they may say that they want to have a nice home and make sure that their family's taken care of and maybe have a nice holiday. But then it's all about how to make sure it keeps growing so that they can help more people. And that, my friends, is how you find your purpose. That is what you're doing it all for. Not the fancy lifestyle, but for the purpose that gives your life meaning. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you a better understanding of why you're building your online business, why you're spending the time and money now to give your life both happiness and meaning. And if you want to get step-by-step hand-holding tuition and my personal support for 30 days, click the link in the description to join my inner circle, where you can get access to me and the best online business training to start or build your online business. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget, click the link in the description to join my inner circle. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to join the inner circle today. Just click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.